Alright, today we're doing multi-step inequalities. Like we've been doing inequalities where you have one step. Okay, now we're going to do 2, 3-step inequalities. You treat it again just like it's an equation with an equal sign. You get y by itself by undoing what's been done to it. So we read here what's being done to y. We're timesing it by -11. And then we're subtracting 13. So we add 13 to both sides. That gives me 55. You have -11y. We divide by -11. Gives me -5 here. Remember, if you times or divide by a negative number, you have to switch your sign for it to remain true. So y is less than -5. Alright, we have 23 is greater than or equal to 10 minus 2w. I gotta get w by itself. First thing I do is I subtract 10. Gives me 13. Is less than or is greater than or equal to -2w. We divide by -2. 13 divided by -2 is -6.5. Which is less than or equal to w. Because I divided by a negative number, I had to switch my sign. There's my answer. This is what your homework's going to look like today. It's going to say write inequality and solve the problem. 5 minus 6 times the number is more than 4 times the number plus 45. So 5 minus 6 times the number is more than. Hey, what symbol goes with is more than?
Greater than.
The greater than.
Oh yeah.
4 times the number plus 45. Now that we have it written down, we have to solve the problem. So I have to get x by itself. I want to move the smaller one, okay, which was smaller 4 or -6. -6, so we're going to add 6x to both sides. Gives me 10x plus 45 on this side. 5 on this side. I subtract 45. Gives me -40. It is greater than 10x, so I divide by 10. I have to change my sign. And then -40 divided by 10 is -4. -4 is less than x. Any questions?
Yes.
Alright, I apologize. You do not flip the sign. We divide by a positive number, so you do not flip the sign. Liberty told me wrong. There's my answer. Alright, when you see something like this, before you can add like terms and move stuff around, you have to distribute, you have to multiply. So we take 4 times 3t and get 12t. 4 times -5 and get -20. Plus 7 greater than or equal to 8t plus 3. We want to get t by itself, so I would move the smaller one. I'd also combine the like terms on this side. 12t minus 13. I would go ahead and subtract 8t to both sides. Cancel out. We're left with 4t minus 13. It's greater than or equal to 3. We add 13 to both sides. Gives me 16. 4t, we divide by 4. So t is greater than or equal to 4. Any questions?
Yes.
All right. This one it has a special solution. All right. You're not going to know it has a special solution until you solve it. Okay, I'm just making you aware of what you're going to see. First thing you got to do is distribute. So we have 9t minus 5t plus 25 is less than or equal to 4t minus 12. You combine your like terms. We have 9t minus 5t gives me 4t. Plus 25 is less than or equal to 4t minus 12. So we subtract the smaller one, which they're both the same, so it doesn't matter. You have this. 25 is less than or equal to negative 12. Is that a true statement? No. So what this means is there's not a number for t that'll make this a true statement. So it's no solution. Or they also will write empty set, meaning there's not a number that goes in for t that will work. All right, you have 3 times 4m plus 6. You got to distribute there. You'll have to distribute the 6. So 12m plus 18 is less than or equal to 42 plus 12m minus 24. Combine the like terms on the right, which gives you 18. Because 42 minus 24 is 18. You have this 12m plus 18 is less than or equal to 18 plus 12m. Get rid of the 12m. Doesn't matter which side. And you have this 18 is less than or equal to 18. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. Okay, because 18 is equal to 18. So what this means is that m, it doesn't matter what m is, it's true. It will always be true. So, it's a true statement.
You just put true?
No, you'd actually write all real numbers.
Why can't we just put true?
Because it's not asking whether it's true or not, it's asking what is m. And m is all real numbers.
Where'd the 42 go?
Alright, here's your homework.